All right, everybody. I bought this Zoe influencer pack from Five Below a while ago, and I thought it was cute just because it had a couple accessories in there that I wanted to have in my stash. I'm not super into the little girl type dolls, but in order to get the accessories, I got her. And she does have a clip, so let's see if I can get her out without ruining her. So she's cute, has a little outfit on, stuck together, one piece, meant to look like two, little sneakers. Mine look like they have staining on them, like yellow stains, or maybe that's part of the fashion, I don't know. Hair feels nice, cute little face. It is parted, and everything else is bald, so I guess she's gonna stay in forever braids. Sorry, little chick. And then I really got this pack because I wanted this little ring light, and I figure the adult dolls could use this, even though it's in a child's pack. I think the size is big enough. So here's an adult Barbie, and when you put this next to her, I think it looks like an adult size. So that's cute. Came with a little, I think it's supposed to be like a makeup box that can open and close. It also comes with a makeup palette, and it closes, and I think it's a good size for an adult Barbie. And then it came with all these little accessories that are supposed to be makeup. So let me try to get those out. And it did exactly what I thought it was going to do, which is when you pull the hard plastic, these things pop all over the place like little jumping beans. So let me get those off camera. And here is an orange lipstick. If you look at it in her hand, it looks like an adult size. Here is like a purpley magenta lipstick. If you look at it, it's more of an adult size. A little tiny purple compact, and it's hinged. And it's supposed to open, but I'm having difficulties getting it open. So, yep, opens up, it's empty, has a little thumb next to the Barbie. You can see that it's her size. Looks like a makeup brush with a thumb ring, so she can hold it. A fan makeup brush with a thumb ring, so she can hold it. And this could probably be lip gloss, maybe mascara. It doesn't open, but it's definitely Barbie size. So yeah, let me know what you think of the Zoe influencer pack, and stay tuned for more unboxing, me opening stuff that I've had stashed away for a while. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye.